Hello YouTube, now it's morning and it starts raining right when I'm getting ready to go to the tire shop and get everything installed. But that's not going to stop me today. They're getting done. I got everything stacked right here. Just going to go over everything that I'm going to put on the car before I head on out to the shop. Okay, we have the 17-inch wheels here, 17 by 7 inch. You got the 18 by 8-inch wheels for the back. Okay, you got your tires here. These two here are 225 50R17s, and these right here are 225 45 18s. As you can see here, I got the letters put on them. All four of them have the letters done. And got valve stems, hub centric rings. You'll definitely need that to keep the vibration down. Lug nuts. No, those are lug nuts right there. These are the locks, the 4 locks, and the lock key. And basically, I'm ready to go. I'm going to get a little wet right now. I'm going to load this stuff in the car. And the next stop is the shop. Okay, the car is loaded up. Tires and wheels. Tires, and wheels in the back seat. Oh boy.